पाकिस्तान ने अफगान महाजरीन की बेहतरीन मेज़बानी की। अमरीकी सफ़ीर की तारीफ। पेशावर में मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए कहा कि पाकिस्तान ने कई अशरों तक लाखों अफगान महाजरीन की मेज़बानी की। तवील अरसे तक महाजरीन का ख्याल रखने पर पाकिस्तान की खिदमात को सराहते हैं। पाकिस्तान की मुआवनत जारी रखेंगे।
have a large program in the province as a whole. This is just one piece of it. But broadly, we've worked across a whole range of areas, from infrastructure, thousands of kilometers of roads, to schools. We've renovated 1,000 schools and built a couple hundred more here in KP with a strong commitment to education. We've worked on health outcomes with major health institutions here, including training of medical personnel to deal with endemic diseases and pandemics. So we have a very vigorous program across the board in all areas of development here in KP, and I expect that will continue in the years ahead. We really appreciate is that it has been a true partnership with the KP local government, that we've built some new procedures and have provided methods in which people will be able to have a voice and be able to make their concerns known.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।